Hello, what's up? So, Google just announced their state of the new model, open source model called Gamma 4. And so it says our most intelligent open models built from Gemini 3 research and technology to maximize intelligence per parameter, right? So this is different from Gemini is there, like, the supermodel, but Gamma is Google's attempt to run big models with bigger intelligence on a smaller machines. So the main point of Gamma 4 is that it's only 31 billion parameter, the biggest size of it, and it's beating some really big names out there. So for example, you can see Gamma 431 billion is at the top, and it's above Quen 3.5, right? Which is a 397 billion parameters, and GLM5 is a little bit above, but those are like big ass models, and it's way above the poor old GPT OSS 120 billion. So yeah, as you can see, DeepSeek was in 3.2, big ass model, but the 31 billion thinking model is beating it. And the crazy part about this is, if we come here, you can see is effective 2 billion parameter model and 4 billion parameter models is a mixture of experts MOE and 31 billion dense. So this can run on my Raspberry Pi. That's what I'm most interested about. I whipped out my old Raspberry Pi from 2020. It's a Raspberry Pi 4. This is the whole stack. So I'm using a SSD, right, to boot it from, because the SD cards are slow, and a power bank, and yeah, this whole thing is supposed to run this 2 billion model. I mean, supposedly it can run the 4 billion as well. But I tried 4 billion. It says the RAM is not enough. It's 8 gigabytes. I think if it was 16 gigabytes, it would have run the 4 billion as well. So I wanted to show you like, I tried it, but it was okay, but let's see how it goes. So I wanted to show you guys because you might be crazy like me to try something like this. So this is my Raspberry Pi. I'm connected to it using real VNC. So let's try it. So here I have added these notification no plugins or widgets. So you can see the temperature, the GPU and CPU. So Raspberry Pi doesn't have a GPU. If it had a GPU, maybe Raspberry Pi have a GPU, I'm not sure, but 4 doesn't. So I installed Ollama in it. So if we make this bigger, can I make the text bigger? Zoom in. Yes, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Shift Control plus plus. Shift Control plus plus. Yes. So this is right here. This 35 dollars board. Okay. So my plan was to run Hermes agent on it as well, but let's see. So I have Ollama on it. Ollama list. So I tried the 2 billion, 4 billion. So let me run it again. Ollama, run Gamma 4E4B. I just wanted to show you what error it's giving me. Gamma requires more system memory. 9.9 available is 9. Like, I'm short of 900 MBs. Otherwise I would have been able to run this on my Raspberry Pi. Let's do the 2 billion. Let's see, can it replace my cloud code subscription? Okay, the CPU has started doing something. 60%, it's loading. The temperature is up to 52 degrees, and then I would run the model on my PC as well, which is a little bit beefed up according to 2020. I haven't updated it. It has RTX 3060 Ti, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and Ryzen 7 5800X280 processor. It's taking time to load up. Okay, maybe it's not the good idea to run a model on Raspberry Pi. I'm going to put up a meme. One eternity later. It's still loading. This shit is still going on. By the way, it's so funny. I can just pick it up. This is the whole stack. I do have heat sinks on it. If you can see these, maybe that it's ready. Let's hold it up. Moment of truth, okay? Yo, I'm talking to AI in my hand. Yo, you know, I'm holding. Let me type it. I'm holding you in my hands. I'm holding AI. Okay, look at the CPU. It's 99%. 98 thinking process. Okay. Analyze the input. The user said no. It is slow. I mean, it's not slow. Look at it. It's in my hand. It's not slow. It's burning my hand. Raspberry Pi is so hot. Look at the CPU. It's 99%. This is an emotional, intimate, or evocative statement. It implies a relationship, connection, or feeling of closeness. That's Google right there. Identify tone. The tone is informal. Yo. Affectionate and possessive, tender, holding someone. My god. Can I turn off the thinking process? Let's look it up. Ollama of thinking process. Slash set nothing to disable it. Okay. We can try that. Where is it? It's still going on. Option A, acknowledge the feeling and express appreciation. Option B, ask what the feeling means or what the context is. Option C, I would go with option B, but let's see what my Raspberry Pi thinks. The poor CPU, it's at 99 and the temperature is 80 degrees. Let me hold it up. Let's try holding it. Damn. I don't want to burn my hands. Oh, I can't put my finger on top of it. Like, and the heat sink, I can barely touch it. We got a response. That sounds really warm. What lovely feeling. My God. Okay, let's turn off thinking. Slash set no think. Okay. Hello. Okay, now it's going to. Hello. How can I help you today? Hehe. I was holding you in my hand, like physically, because I'm running you on my Raspberry. That sounds like you are using a metaphor or way to describe something. Since I am an AI, I don't have a physical body. To be honest, like I'm talking to. Let's not say that. Are you talking about one running a program or code? Damn, bro. Okay. It is running. Should we add the Hermes agent on top of it? We can have an agent locally present on my Raspberry Pi. Well, let's try this model on in my PC, a bigger one.